Yeah.
Too rounded there, so the trailers come off the ground and the truckers don't.
No.
Lots
so,
of pressure on the,
like, I'm trying to tell students, right? You know, low road location. What kind of grade am I looking at here? Because I don't know.
Okay. Well, you know what? It's almost like a 45-degree angle.
Okay.
You know, if I'm looking straight off.
Yep.
So that's like a 20% 20% slope, something like that. 18.
Is that what it works? Yeah.
Yeah. It's
looks like 45, but you call it 20.
yeah, like it's a 45-degree angle.
Yeah.
But the slope and percentage, I believe, is like 20%, is somewhere in that range.
Okay.
You'd have to double check my math there, because like I say, we don't engineer anything. Everything's done by eye.
Yeah.
The one thing here that the guy building the road could have done, he's got quite a bit of material.
Mm-hmm.
He could have raised the bottom here. You can see how it kind of goes up, and like there's a little bit of slope, then it goes up.
Yeah.
If he would have raised the bottom, it would have been less of a slope.
Right.
And then when the trailers got to the top, he could have built it up a little more so that the trailers, the wheels of the trailers don't come off the ground.
Crested better.
He could have crested it better.
Yeah.
And that's one thing with the road construction guys. And in this case here, there's only, like talking to these guys, they started here this morning. They've got 9 loads out now. You know, there's going to be no more than 20 loads coming out of here.
Okay. Yeah.
So, you know, you got to judge. Okay, I got 20 loads, or how much wood do I have behind here? How much effort do I do on the road too? But that's one thing where the guys building road, especially when they come to hills, I find they could build the bottom up, get rid of that make it a little bit of a nicer slope.
Cut the top. Unless it's a rock.
Yeah, unless it's a rock, they could have cut the top. And I think let's see when we get to the top. I think it's. I'm going to guess there's a rock there because of the way
it looks. But then it's rocky and sandy here at the same time here. Yeah. So.
But yeah, you know, just looking on the side there, it looks like, you know, they could have cut the top. That's what they should have. Stuck.
No,
four-wheel drive.
You're not stuck.
No, but I had to go to four-wheel drive.
That's okay. That's what that's for.
That's okay.
It's good to use it once in a while.
Yes. Just get the oil flowing there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty rocky, eh?
Yeah. Same thing here. You know, they could have raised the crest here a little bit and made it a little less of a. But again, it's how much wood you have in the back, how much money you're going to spend.
So, what do you guys do with these roads when you're done in this area?
When we're done here, we don't do anything with them. Silviculture guy will come in. Depending on the road, he's been instructed to plant some of them.
Okay.
So he will make the call, but generally speaking, the road is left here, and he'll plant the block. He may plant the ditches or whatever, because there's no more wood coming out of here for another 80 years or whatever.
Yeah.
But the road itself will stay here. We do not decommission any roads unless there's usually it's an outfitter issue or something. Then we'll decommission roads, but we don't do anything with it. The big thing is to try and minimize what we try and do is minimize the roads and the length, and try and keep the skids max as max as